So typically, one thing the biggest concern would be you ask first if somebody rents or owns their home, because obviously if they rent, they maybe aren't in a different position in their life where somebody that owns a home has already put a down payment in, done things like that. But once you sit down there, you talk to them about that. I mean, obviously we want to be a family, so we also get to know, are you married? Do you have kids? Where are you at in your life? Once you do that, obviously, if you do have insurance, I usually typically try to ask what kind of coverage you currently have. A lot of people just say it's full coverage, liability, whatever. So we'll go through that. Well, then at the end of the day, when I present the quote, I don't ever just go straight to the point of giving you the state minimum $25.50 on the bodily injury. So what I do is I present the quote with what I think you should have, which is typically $100,000/$300,000 on the bodily injury. Now there are times it needs to be more, but that's where when I get down and sit and talking to you and you say you own a home, you've got 2 vehicles, 3 vehicles, maybe you have a farm, you have different things like that. We'll talk about having more coverage, and that's when I sit down. After we've built a quote originally, I'll present it to you, and then I will go over, this is the bodily injury, this is what it does. It protects you if you cause the accident, breaking it down, property damage, things like that. If somebody is kind of bulking at the price, I show them the circumstances of, hey, look, you can cut this in half and give you half the coverage and save yourself $20 a month. But this is, once again, what you're risking. And a lot of people don't realize that if they do get in a car accident and don't have enough coverage, your paycheck from your job can be garnished. They can make you sell your home and take equity out of that house to pay for somebody's injuries that you may have caused. So we'll go through all that.